Hey everyone, welcome back to Petter AI Future. If you're into powerful AI tools that can save you tons of time and even boost your income, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now so you won't miss the next video. And stick around till the very end because I'm going to reveal a hidden trick inside this tool that most people completely overlook, but it could totally change the way you create content. Today, we're diving into 2Movie AI. And honestly, this platform blew me away the very first time I tried it. With just a few clicks, you can turn any idea into a cinematic-style video, super realistic images, and even custom sound effects. Imagine typing something simple like, a cozy coffee shop by the lake with warm glowing lights. And just seconds later, you've got a set of cinematic images ready to use. Sounds unreal, right? But it's real. And I'll walk you through everything step by step on my screen so you can follow along easily. First step, click the link I've dropped right below this video. That link takes you straight to the 2Movie AI website. There, you can sign up with Gmail or literally any email you want. Personally, I just use Google. It's quicker. And here's the cool part. When you create your account for the first time, they actually give you 130 free credits. That's enough to create about 6 full videos plus a bunch of images, so you can experiment freely without spending a dime. Once you're logged in, let's try the very first feature, turning text into images. On the main dashboard, head over to the left menu and click Image Generation. By default, the Text-to-Image tab will already be open. Here you'll see a blank box called the Prompt box. This is where you type in whatever image you want. For example, a girl in a red coat standing next to a Christmas tree with sparkling lights behind her. If you're not great at writing prompts, no worries. Just hit the Creative Assistant button. It'll polish up your description and make it more detailed. Then hit Use Prompt. Next, pick your aspect ratio. Want something wide like a YouTube video? Choose 16:9. Making something for Instagram? Go with 1:1. Then choose how many images you want to generate. I usually go with 4 so I have options. Finally, pick the rendering mode. Turbo for quick testing, or Pro if you want higher quality, especially for portraits. Then just hit Generate, and boom! In seconds, you've got a set of images exactly like your description. You can download them or save them in My Assets to use later in your videos. Now let me show you something more advanced. Reference to image. Basically, you upload an existing photo and generate multiple variations from it. There are 3 options here: character, object, pose. With character, you upload a photo and 2Movie keeps the person's face, but changes the details according to your prompt. For example, I upload a picture of a girl sitting in a coffee shop, then I add the prompt, girl wearing glasses, in a yellow dress, sitting in a cozy cafe. Just seconds later, it generates multiple versions. Same face, but with different outfits and different vibes. With object, the main subject stays the same, but the entire background changes. For example, same girl, but I type, girl sitting on a chair in a warm living room with glowing lights. The results? Tons of different versions. The same girl, but in totally new environments. Bright rooms, dark rooms, even with a Christmas tree behind her. And finally, pose. This one is insane. It keeps the exact body posture from your original photo, but swaps out the character or environment. For example, I upload a photo of a girl standing on the beach. Then I type, a girl standing on a modern street surrounded by skyscrapers. The result? Same pose, but now she's in the city. I even tried a girl standing in a neon-lit street at night, and the output literally looks like a movie poster. 5. Alright, let's move on to something even more exciting. Turning images into videos. In the video generation section, choose Image to Video. First, upload 1 photo as your starting frame. If you want smoother transitions, you can also upload an ending frame. Then, in the prompt box, describe the movement. For example, a young man walking slowly, with the camera gently zooming in. Below, you can pick camera effects like zoom in, pan, or tracking shot. Finally, choose your resolution, clip length, and hit Generate. In just a few minutes, that still image will turn into a smooth, professional-looking video. If you want higher quality, check out Video 2.1. This version gives you more detailed visuals, more realistic lighting, and overall looks like an actual film shot. Plus, There's a feature called Video Extend, which lets you stretch your video by a few more seconds while keeping the same style. Super handy if your clip feels a little too short. Next up, let's try text to video. Basically, turning words into a video. All you need to do is type out a scene description. For example, a sports car parked on a grassy hill at sunset, golden light reflecting off the car body, with ocean waves crashing in the distance. You can also add camera movement, like a dolly in, to zoom toward the car for that cinematic effect. On top of that, you can tweak resolution, aspect ratio, and clip length. When you hit Generate, Movie will build a video straight from your prompt. And if you use Video 2.1, the results are even sharper and more realistic. The lighting, the reflections, the ocean waves, everything looks like real footage. I also tried another prompt. A girl in a simple dress, sitting on a chair on the balcony, casually chatting with natural hand gestures. When paired with a close-up camera angle, the result looked just like a short film scene. And finally, let me show you the text-to-sound feature. Instead of wasting time searching for sound effects online, you just type a short description. For example, birds chirping in the morning, relaxing and natural. Right below, you can choose from different sound categories like rain, wind, footsteps, laughter, clapping, and so on. You can also set the sound duration, from just a few seconds up to 45 seconds. Plus, you can generate multiple versions at once to pick the one you like best. Just hit Generate and boom, you get an instant audio file. You can preview it, download it, or tweak your prompt and regenerate. Super convenient when you need custom sound effects without digging through stock libraries. So there you go. Just a few simple steps, and I've shown you how to use Movie AI to create images, generate videos from text or photos, and even make custom sound effects, all in one platform. I honestly think this is going to be a game changer for anyone who wants to create content faster, better, and without complicated editing skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to Petter AI Future, and drop a comment letting me know which tool you want me to review or demo next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.